this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
What we do here is go back.
So I'm here and I want to say welcome to the vlog. But the reason why I'm coming to you like this is because I just want to share my experience in every situation that I've in, whether it be a job, school, whatever it is. I tend to get comfortable. I pride myself on being comfortable, and I think that's a major problem for me, because when I get comfortable I tend to relax too much. I'm not on my tippy toes. I'm not worried. It also helps me to stay focused when I'm comfortable. But in life, you can't be comfortable with a situation that will only help you to get to the next point of your journey in life. So I want to try to get out of that phase where I'm too comfortable and too relaxed, So I just want to share that with you guys and try to adjust the way I look at life and try to not be comfortable with a situation that I'm in. So I just want to share that with you guys. If you're don't be too comfortable in any situation that you're in, whether it be a job, school, anything that it is. Don't be too comfortable. Always try to push on for more. Don't get complacent. Just try to always push for more. So I want you guys to enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I also want to just give you guys an update and stuff like that. So remember, subscribe and share this vlog if you really like it. I'm going to make it real nice. Enjoy.
Because that's so funny.
This bag of fruit.
Hey guys.
That's so personal, Cass.
It's not personal. Say hello.
Hello.
To my gingerbread and jelly beans.
Hi.
Hi. So, the lovers as usual.
What's up?
And we're here at school. It's raining outside, so the lighting is perfect right now. And I'm eating my pineapple.
Out of a bag.
Out of a bag. But guess I don't care, because ghetto youth, we're from the ghetto or the hood, man and man, talking Jamaican though. Man and man, and can't be stush. You understand? Saying on a spoon or on a fork, you eat out of the bag. They find it so funny. Why do you guys find it so funny? Me eating my pineapple. It might help.
You had like the camera just like staring at me.
Because it's a good view,
Yeah.
View from the 6. I got the drip down. You want to talk to them? I know you're shy. You're the shy one.
Talk to him about pineapple.
Yeah.
how good they are and healthy and.
That's so weird because I was craving pineapples last night. I'm not even kidding. Like at 4 o'clock in the morning. When I woke up, I was actually wanting pineapples.
Oh, you
That's
felt
not
like-
even kidding.
I'm going to the new side. I'm going to the new side. Because it makes no sense. You're feeling bad. because you can't put that in the vlog. That's like.
No, but you can cut it. You cut most of the stuff that we vlog about.
How do you know I cut stuff?
Because I'm there, I know exactly what happens. I can tell.
But you have to cut it, you know, because people don't
Yeah.
want to hear like the stuff that was random. Well,
Like
random.
right now, you're gonna end up cutting the.
Not really.
You're gonna cut that part.
Depends.
Yeah, you are.
If it's good, no. If it's good content, I'll keep it. You know, but if it's like, it's not
guarantee-
meaningful. You know, I just
Yeah.
I just cut it out.
It's just babble.
Yeah, it's just like I try to make it meaningful so people can get something.
Yes,
313.
But yeah, talk to them though. What do you like about the vlog, my vlog the most? What about it do you like? the
They're
most?
random.
The random vlog.
What's the song you used at the beginning, by the way?
Oh, it's from Casper. It's
From the movie?
Casper. No, not the movie, but it's like he makes music.
Oh, okay, it's a guy named Casper.
Yeah, he makes music and he sent me an email to a list of his to his album,
Yeah.
how to pay for it and stuff, and I can use it in my vlogs. So I actually paid for it.
Oh,
Yeah, I
nice.
paid $5, so I got the entire album. But that one song,
Yeah.
I just used it because they're love songs and
Yeah.
and stuff like
I like,
that.
yeah, I like that.
I saw that. That's stupid.
And stuff like that. Gingerbread and Jelly Bean, guess who's here? Vanny, she's back. Finally, she's back.
She didn't disappear.
There, she disappeared. Erica, she's back now. You were asking for her. Let me see. Erica was like, where's Vanny?
I was sick.
Stuff like that. So, you know, glad to have you back.
Yeah.
Say hello to them.
Hello.
So, yeah, that's how I went for the camera. I just went for the camera just to, you know, tell everyone that Vanny's back. So, yeah, she's back.
I was MIA for a bit.
I don't miss her. I miss Vanny so much. Good times. All right.
What we do here is go back.